This is the all-new Renault Grand Kangoo. It can accommodate up to 7 passengers, each of them sitting in an individual seat. Renault claims that the new Grand Kangoo has the best-in-class knee radius for passengers in row 3 and more than 58 liters of storage space in the cabin, including the Easy Life sliding drawer and underfloor storage trays in row 2. The boot has a capacity of 500 liters in 7-seater version and is extendable to 3,750 liters with the rear seats removed and the front passenger seat folded down. With the front passenger seat folded down, it offers 3.11 meters load length. The new Grand Kangoo can be ordered with petrol, diesel or electric powertrain. Guys, if you like the new car, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.